Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Now let's start current affairs capsule, daily current affairs, August, day 17. Recently, Indian classical dancer Dr. Yamini Krishnamurthy has passed away. She was associated with which of the following classical dances? हाल ही में डॉक्टर यामिनी कृष्णमूर्ति का निधन हो गया। डॉक्टर यामिनी कृष्णमूर्ति किस क्लासिकल डांस से संबंधित थी? द आंसर इज भारतनाट्यम. Okay, Bharatanatyam, it is a classical dance of Tamil Nadu. In 2016, she got Padma Vibhushan Award, and her autobiography named it A Passion for Dance. A Passion for Dance, that is her autobiography. Okay, and Dr. Yamini Krishnamurthy related to classical dance Bharatanatyam. Recently, India provided financial assistance of rupees 45 crore to support digital identity project of which country? हाल ही में भारत किस देश को डिजिटल पहचान परियोजना के समर्थन करने के लिए 45 करोड़ रुपया की वित्तीय सहायता प्रदान कर रहा है? So name of the country is Sri Lanka. Okay, India has handed over 45 crore in advance to Sri Lanka to fund its unique digital identity project, and it constitutes 15% of the total fund required for the successful implementation of the project as an advance payment. Okay, so India provide financial assistance of rupees 45 crore to support digital identity project to Sri Lanka. Recently reported more than 50 lakh workers from the unorganized sector had enrolled for the PMSYM, that is Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan scheme. Which of the following state has registered highest number of workers? So किस राज्य से PMSY स्कीम में सबसे ज़्यादा रजिस्टर किया गया वर्कर का? So worker, those are from the unorganized sector. Okay, so name of this state is Haryana. Name of this state is Haryana. Who is the CM of Haryana? Naib Singh Saini. Okay. Recently, Mount Kilimanjaro, seen in news, is located in which country? Mount Kilimanjaro किस देश पर स्थित है? The answer is Tanzania. Okay, and climbers from the Himalayan Mountaineering Institute in Darjeeling recently scaled Uhuru Peak, the highest point of Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. Okay, and Mount Kilimanjaro is Africa's tallest mountain and world largest freestanding mountain, and it was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. Okay, so Mount Kilimanjaro, it is located in Tanzania. Recently, which country participated in bilateral Air Force exercise, that is Yudhara Shakti 2024? हाल ही में bilateral Air Force exercise that is organized in Yudhara Shakti 2024 name it, इसमें कौन से दो देश पार्टिसिपेट किया था? So name of the country is India and Malaysia. Okay, the Indian Air Force participated in the bilateral exercise Yudhara Shakti 2024 with the Royal Malaysian Air Force, and the exercise took place in Kuantan, Malaysia from 6 to 9 August 2024. Okay, so it is a bilateral exercise between India and Malaysia, and name of the exercise is Yudhara Shakti 2024. As per the report, which of the following country has officially joined United States of America lead United Nations Command and become its 18th member state? हाल ही में निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा देश आधिकारिक तौर पर यूएसए के नेतृत्व वाली संयुक्त राष्ट्र कमांड दैट इज यूएनसी में शामिल हो गया और इसका 18th सदस्य देश बन गया है? सो नेम ऑफ द कंट्री इज जर्मनी. ओके, Germany is a 18th member of United Nations Command. Okay, which Indian recently received the highest civilian Grand Collar of the Order award of Timor-Leste? किस भारतीय ने हाल ही में टिमोर लिस्टे के ग्रैंड कॉलर ऑफ द ऑर्डर से सम्मानित हुए हैं? द आंसर इज द्रौपदी मुर्मू. आवर प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मू रिसीव्ड Timor-Leste highest civilian award, that is Grand Collar of the Order of Timor-Leste, on 10th August 2024 in Dili. Okay, DILI, Dili. And she is the first Indian president to visit Timor-Leste as a part of our three-nation tour to Fiji, then New Zealand and Timor-Leste from 5th to 10 August 2024. Okay, and so name of the person is Draupadi Murmu. Okay, received the highest civilian Grand Collar of the Order award of Timor-Leste. Recently, who among the following took over the additional charge of DG in BSF? हाल ही में निम्नलिखित में से किसने BSF के अतिरिक्त पद पर संभाली है? नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज दलजीत सिंह चौधरी. दलजीत सिंह चौधरी, and he is already in charge in SSB. Okay, and which protect our border from the Bhutan and Nepal. So SSB protect our border from Bhutan and Nepal side, and BSF protect our border from Bangladesh and Pakistan. And Daljit Singh Chaudhary has been appointed as an additional DG of BSF, and BSF and SSB both work under the Ministry of Home Affairs. As per the news, Indian Air Force has given clearance to which of the following company for the production of 200 Astra Mark 1 air-to-air missile? समाचार के अनुसार भारतीय वायुसेना ने 200 अस्त्र मार्क 1 मिसाइल को उत्पादन के लिए निम्नलिखित में से किस कंपनी को मंजूरी दे दी है? सो नेम ऑफ द कंपनी इज भारत डायनामिक्स लिमिटेड. ओके, नेम ऑफ द कंपनी इज भारत डायनामिक्स लिमिटेड, and it is a company based on Hyderabad. Okay, and what is the range of this missile? It is up to 80 to 110 kilometer, and its speed up to 4.5 Mach, and it is developed by the DRDO and BDL, and name of the company is BDL. Okay, and it is developed by the DRDO. Recently, who among the following has penned a memoir titled Breaking Rocks and Barrier, Memories of the Geologist and Mountaineer? हाल ही में निम्नलिखित में से किसने ब्रेकिंग रॉक्स एंड बैरियर मेमोरीज ऑफ द जियोलॉजिस्ट एंड माउंटेनियर इस किताब को लिखा है? सो नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज सुदीप्ता सेनगुप्ता. ओके, आंसर इज सुदीप्ता सेनगुप्ता. She is geologist and trained mountaineer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Science Express. Thank you.